did you come up from another country with your visa?
No, I went for the interview here.
You went for the interview here. It should take, if they're not going to schedule an interview for you, you should be done in about 9 months or less. But sometimes sometimes it could extend out to 15 months and you'll know if it's going out past a year, you're going to be interviewed. Whether you get interviewed or not depends on what's in your file from your first interview, what did you file with in your second application, and also partly luck of the draw that they'll just randomly pick some people also to interview. So if you're not going to get an interview about 9 months, if it's going to be interviewed, you're going to be well over a year. Now, if you're anxious to move on with your life, and you are together with your spouse and you can prove you're together and you're filing joint tax returns and you're doing everything as far as what immigration wants to see to prove that it's a real marriage, if you, on your 90 days prior to your 3-year anniversary of you getting your conditional residence, which would be about the 9-month period if they're not going to interview you, okay? You can file for your citizenship even if you haven't removed your conditions, and then they will interview you at your citizenship for both the removal of the conditions and your citizenship, and you get it all over with in one interview.
Okay, because so that means that because my 90 days runs from November this year to February next year. So say November 2011. If it carries out till November 2011 or December, then I can file for it.
If it carries on 9 months after the 2-year conditional residence expired and you haven't got a decision, you can turn around and file for your citizenship.
Okay, so can I fly? Can I leave the country?
Yeah, you can do whatever you want, as long as when you file that application to remove the conditions, you get a letter back from immigration saying your green card's extended for a year, your employment is extended for a year, and if you want to travel, you travel with your old green card and that letter. Both documents.
All right. Okay.
All right.
When I filed a document, I don't remember if I told them that I had a daughter at the time. What if I want to file for my daughter now? What happened?
Well, now you're talking about some tricky issues, and let me tell you what the tricky issue is. If you did not mention your daughter the first time around, and lo and behold, all of a sudden now you have a daughter, immigration may say, hey, you committed misrepresentation. You did not give us the full picture of your family life when you got your conditional green card. And if that's the case, I would suggest you make an appointment to come see me immediately because you may have problems down the line.
All right.
Okay?
Appreciate it, man. Have a good day.
Okay, thank you. All right, we're going to go to line 2. Hi, you're on the air.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, I've been married, and I want to know if I could file tax with my wife. I don't get my work permit yet, but I used to pay tax before.
You have a Social Security number?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, file a joint tax return with your wife.
Okay.
Even without the work permit. Government will be more than happy to take your tax money.
It wouldn't be any problem for me because my paperwork isn't finished.
No. Well, let me tell you 2 things why it's not a problem. 1, the law says if you're married to an American citizen, the fact that you worked illegally in the United States is not a bar to you getting a green card. Number 2, if you work and don't pay taxes, you've committed a crime.
Okay.
So file your tax return if you got a good Social Security number.
Okay.
Okay, and it also helps you if you file a joint tax return. You could bring that document into immigration and prove it's a real marriage. It's one of the documents they want to see.
Okay.
All right?
Okay, thank you.
All right, good luck. Again, if anybody needs to schedule an appointment to come see me, my number is 1-800-LAW-LINK. That's 1-800-529-5465. If you're listening to us outside of the United States, you can give us a call at 212-227-3636. When you call us, you're going to be speaking to my customer service reps. They have lots of years of experience dealing with immigration. 1 is a lawyer, and 2 have been paralegals for years and years and years. The lawyer is not an admitted lawyer, but actually went to law school and can help you with your basic immigration questions, tell you whether or not it's worthwhile for you to come in and make an appointment to come see me. If you do come see me, the consultation is $120. If you can't make it into my office located in downtown Manhattan, you can give us, we can have a telephone consultation. And we do, cat got my tongue today, and we do telephone consultations all over the world. So if you can't make it into downtown Manhattan, but you still have an immigration issue, let's do it over the telephone. Let's deal with it. 1-800-LAW-LINK, 1-800-529-5465. To call us on the air, it's 1-888-31-RADIO, 1-888-317-2346.